What's up, you guys? So I'm back with another video. I created this gorgeous look using the Juvia's Place Magic Mini Palette, and I wanted to share with you guys how I did so. So let's just jump right into it. Okay guys, so the first shade that I'm using is called Nana and is out of the Juvia's Place Magic Mini Palette. And I'm using my Morphe 504 brush, and I'm going to use this shade as my transition shade. Now using that same palette, I'm going into the shade Kogi, and I am going in with my Morphe 518 brush, and I'm going to focus that color into my crease, and I'm just going to blend it out. Now I'm going into the shade Ivy in that same palette, and I'm using my Sedona Lace EB15 brush, and I'm packing that color into the outer corner and inner corner, then lightly blending it into the crease using swiping circular motions. Okay, now I'm just going back to the colors that I've applied already, and I'm just touching up anywhere where I may have lost a little bit of pigment. Now I'm going in with my Morphe 421 brush using my Creamy Beige LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm just going to carve out the center, and I'm going just above my crease and then blending that down. Okay, now using my Sedona Lace EB11 brush, I'm going into the shade Faso and Zuba, and I'm placing those colors into the area that I carved out. Now I'm going back into that shade Ivy with that EB15 brush, and I'm blending that color inward, trying to create somewhat of a shadow. I don't want any harsh lines, and I'm doing the same in the inner corner as well, and then I'm going to just slightly bring it up. Now I'm going back into that shade Kogi and just applying a little into the crease and blending it out. Now I'm applying my Hard Candy Loose Glitter, and as my glitter primer, I use the Ben Nye Glitter Glue. Of course, I'm going in with my Wet n Wild Mega Liner, and I am applying my liner. And this always takes me forever. I usually do not like to record this, but I tried to do it for you guys. So I applied my lashes off camera, and I just used the beauty supply store Wispie lashes, and I stacked them. Now I'm going into my Maybelline Super Stay foundation, and again the color that I use is Toffee. And as you can tell, I did not color correct today, and I didn't correct because I noticed that using this foundation I don't need to. It's super full coverage for me, so it actually cut down a few of my steps, and I really love the way it came out. So as far as my highlight today, I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind, and the shade that I'm using is called Golden. And I'm applying that under my eyes, my forehead, down the center of my nose, and my chin. And I'm just going to blend that out with my Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge. And of course, I am applying my Sasha Cosmetics Buttercup Setting Powder to all the areas where I applied the concealer. Okay, so as you can see, I'm using a new bronzer. This is the Wet n Wild bronzer, and it's called Queensland. I believe it says it's a limited edition. I'll let you guys know really what I think about it, but I was trying to put down the Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette down for a while. So I'll let you guys know. I'll give you a review on how I like this. And I am applying the bronzer to my nose. I'm using this as my contour. I usually don't contour my nose too much, but I just kind of wanted to snatch it a little bit. Now I'm just setting my entire face with my MAC Mineralized Skinfinish in the shade Dark. Now I'm applying my blush, and this color is by Wet n Wild. It's called Mellow Wine. Okay, so now I'm going into the shade Kogi, and I'm just placing that shade just below my lash line. And using that same Morphe 504 brush, I'm going into the shade Nana and placing that just beneath Kogi. And now I'm going into the shade Ivy, and I'm placing that just below my waterline. Now I'm just going to line my waterline with my Jordana 24-hour gel liner. And then after I've done that, I'm going to use the shade Little Black Book out of the Morphe 35V palette, and I'm going to smudge that eyeliner out. Okay, so I did set my face, and I just wanted to do so before I apply my highlighter. The highlighter that I'm using today is the MAC Gold Deposit, and then I'm going to apply my Makeup Addiction loose highlighter in the color Orgasmic. So now I'm going in with my lip liner, and this is the Jordana lip liner in the color Eggplant. And of course, I'm just going to line my lips and shade it in. Now I'm applying this gorgeous lipstick by Milani. It's the matte lipstick, and it's called Fearless. Now I'm going to apply my liquid lip color by Victoria's Secret in the shade Innocence to the center and blend that into my lips. And this completes my look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so. Thumbs up if you like this video. And I'll see you guys next time. Love you guys. Bye.